Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Experian to freeze your credit files, complete guide step by step clearly. To connect Experian and freeze your credit files, begin by visiting the official Experian website. Navigate to the section for managing credit freezes. You may need to create an account if you do not already have one. Select the option to freeze your credit file. Provide your personal information as requested. This typically includes your name, address, date of birth, and social security number. After entering your information, follow the on-screen prompts. You might be asked to verify your identity through security questions or receiving a verification code via text or email. Once your identity is verified, you will have the option to place a freeze on your credit file. Review the terms and conditions before finalizing your freeze request. After submitting your request, you will receive a confirmation, often via email. Take note of the unique PIN or password provided. This PIN will be necessary to lift the freeze in the future. Ensure you save this information in a secure location. If you need to unfreeze your credit file later, return to the Experian website. Log into your account using your credentials. Select the option to lift or temporarily remove the freeze. Follow the instructions to enter your unique PIN and any additional verification needed. Your credit file will be unblocked, enabling lenders to access your information. Regularly monitor your credit report for any suspicious activity, even after freezing your credit. This helps ensure your financial information remains secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.